Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a card that is made with our Love What You Do suite. This suite will be in the new 2018-19 Stampin' Up! Catalog, but right now during May, you can get some sneak peek bundles, and there are 3 options for that. There's the Just Getting Started bundle, and you get 1 free item with that. There's A Little More Please, and you get 2 free items. And then there's Gotta Have It All. And this is the bundle that includes the gorgeous Share What You Love specialty designer series paper. And you also get 3 free items with this one. In addition to those free items, you also get a card kit in the mail from me, a free card kit in the mail when you purchase one of these bundles. And so you can look forward to that as well, and instructions on how to make those cards. I'm going to pull in a card that I already did a video for just to show you more of this gorgeous designer paper. So you can see that it's pearlized. You can see that reflection of the light a little bit. On this card that I'm going to make, this layer also is pearlized. So you can see how it reflects the light there. We also have the pearlized doilies. You can see that, just a little glossy layer to them. And this I just wanted to show you really quickly is the Love What You Do stamp set. And for the card I'm making, I took the thank you out of the stamp set to do that. So let's start with the card base. This is a brand new color. It's called Petal Pink, and it's now part of our Subtles collection. And then this layer is a new in color, and this is called Grapefruit Grove. So I'm going to attach this piece of designer paper to the Grapefruit Grove layer. And then I'll attach this to the card base. Right over on the edge here. And then I'll go ahead, I think I'll do my stamping next. So this is a small piece of that petal pink. And I'm going to slide my piercing mat underneath my scrap paper just to give me a little cushion and make sure I'm getting a good even image. I inked this up in basic black, and I love that it's photopolymer and I can see right through exactly where that image is going to go. Okay, now that I've got that part ready, I can do the layers that create that focal point. So now you can tell the doily here is quite detailed, and so you might be wondering how in the world to get adhesive on it so it can stick to this Grapefruit Grove circle. What I'm going to do is just take and put adhesive right here. I'll pull it up just to make sure you can see it. There's just that line of adhesive from the center out to the edge. And then I'm going to set the doily right over top of that, and it'll stick obviously just where I put that adhesive over here. Now, if I were to just leave it on the card like this, it would definitely stick to some things, including the envelope. So what I'm going to do is very strategically place this layer. I'm going to add a couple Stampin' Dimensionals to the back. And then this is going to go right over that sticky line. So I'm just pulling it up so I can see it's right here. Actually, let me attach this to the card first. So it will go right here on the card, and then this layer will cover up my adhesive here so it won't be an issue. I'll just go right like that with the dimensionals. So this part of the doily is loose here, it's not attached, but it's very secure because of the adhesive I put underneath, and then with this greeting layer being stuck down over it, it's not going to go anywhere. So this is a really easy, quick and creative card that you can make with this gorgeous Share What You Love specialty designer paper. Be sure to look in the description of the video here in the comments, and I will put a link to the information that you need to know to order one of these bundles and how to get my free card kit in the mail. Thanks so much for watching.